If you want to make text vertical in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to rotate text vertically, whether you want a clean, perfect vertical layout or a custom angle for a diagram. This is a really helpful trick for flowcharts, labels, side notes, and any design where horizontal text just takes up too much space. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Lucidchart tips and software walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, let's use the easiest method, which is the text options menu. This is the best choice if you want the text to snap into a neat vertical position without guessing the angle yourself. Start by clicking the text box or the text inside a shape. Just make sure you are not actively typing. If you see a blinking cursor, press escape so you can select the whole object instead of editing the text directly. Once the text is selected, look at the formatting toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the shape options button and click it. This opens a menu with different formatting controls for the selected object. In that drop-down, look for the rotate text option. Click it repeatedly until the text rotates into a vertical orientation. Depending on the starting position, you may need to click it a few times before it lines up exactly how you want. This method is great because it's fast, simple, and consistent. If you're building a diagram with titles or labels that need to read from bottom to top or top to bottom, this is usually the cleanest way to do it. It also keeps the text aligned nicely inside the shape, which can make your Lucidchart designs look much more polished. Now let's go over the second method, which is the manual rotation handle. Use this if you want more control over the angle, or if the text rotation menu isn't giving you the exact look you need. Start by clicking once on the shape or text box to select it. Again, don't be in typing mode. You want the object selected as a whole. Next, move your mouse around the corners or near the top of the selected element. When you find the rotation point, your cursor should change into a curved arrow icon. That tells you that you can rotate the object manually. Click and hold, then drag your mouse clockwise or counterclockwise until the text turns vertical. If you want the rotation to snap more precisely, hold down the Shift key while you drag. This helps the rotation move in 15-degree increments, which makes it much easier to land on a perfect 90-degree or 270-degree angle. That's especially useful when you want your vertical text to look intentional and aligned with the rest of your diagram. A quick tip here: if the text is inside a shape, rotating the shape may rotate both the box and the text together, which can actually be useful depending on your layout. But if your goal is specifically vertical text for a label or sidebar, test both methods and see which one gives you the best result for your project. Also, if the text doesn't seem to select properly, click away and try again carefully. Sometimes the difference between editing text and selecting the element can be a little confusing in Lucidchart, but once you get used to it, it becomes very easy. The key is to remember that escape takes you out of text editing mode and lets you select and rotate the object itself. So to recap, if you want the fastest method, use the shape options menu and click rotate text until it's vertical. If you want custom control, use the manual rotation handle and hold shift for precise angle snapping. Either way, you can create vertical text in Lucidchart in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.